Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP. Today I'm going to cook a little Indonesian dish which is deep fried potato cakes with spring onion and a nice little chili type sauce. Very simple to do, very easy. First thing you need to do is get a nice big pot of water, give it a good amount of salt. We're going to bring that up to the boil. Be careful of that handle, it will be hot, especially with that particular pot. It's a metal handle on a glass dish. Put those potatoes straight into the boiling water. Put the lid back on like that, and we can sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll check at the 15-minute mark and see how they're progressing. I'll get a little bamboo skewer and see how easily that skewer goes through. I'll continue cooking that for the further 5 minutes. Once that skewer goes through nice and easy like that, we're pretty much done as far as cooking the potatoes is concerned. I'm going to take those off the heat, strain out that hot water, and I'm just going to put those in a little strainer and let them cool. Bring them back to room temperature. Nice and easy. Go off and watch a bit of television or whatever. Now I'm going to make up a really nice sweet chili sauce. So here I've got some banana ketchup, which is actually a Filipino type condiment. It's a very good story behind that as well. I'm going to add in around about 2 teaspoons worth of shallot paste, and that's going to give it just a little bit of spice, not too much, just right, and a little bit of mayo as well. That's going to make it a little bit creamy and just loosen everything up. I've got my potato ricer, which I don't use enough of. Love this thing. Makes the most amazing mashed potatoes and gnocchi. Right, so all we're simply going to do is get a potato back at room temperature, put that into our ricer like that, and all we have to do now is squeeze, and before you know it, you're going to end up with the fluffiest and lightest potatoes, which are nice and dry, so we can continue making the rest of this meal. Make sure you get some of that potato all over the bench, otherwise you're not doing it right. I've added in a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of white pepper on top, around about 1/4 teaspoon, and around about 3 shallots or scallions, and about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of fried shallot. You can get that from your local Asian supermarket. A little bit of garlic powder, probably around about a teaspoon's worth. A little bit of white pepper extra, that can go straight in over the top. And a little bit of salt. Use the salt of your choice. I'm using pink Himalayan rock salt. It just gives it a really funky flavour and a feel. All we have to simply do now is give that a really good stir and get all those ingredients nicely combined. Very simple to do. We've only used, a handful of ingredients so far. So I'm using an ice cream scoop. I'm going to scoop out a little bit of that potato, put that into my hand, and all we have to do now is press that into a little ball, or a little croquet, so to speak, or croquette. So just keep going along, make those little balls up, put them on a tray, and we're going to put those into the refrigerator for around about half an hour until they're nice and firm. Here I've got 2 or 3 eggs. I've put that into a bowl. My little potato cake is in that little strainer. I've got my oil sitting in a wok. I'm just using a vegetable oil. I'm going to heat that at a medium-ish heat, and all we have to do is cook those off for about 5 minutes in total. Turn them halfway through, make sure they're nice and brown, and if you haven't had a deep fried potato cake before, you really don't know what you're missing. It is an amazing, fluffy little bundle of joy. So just using a slotted spoon, we can take that out, get rid of any excess oil. I'm going to put that on some kitchen paper or kitchen towel and let those drain off. Just continue going through until you've got all the rest of those done, and before you know it, we have a nice array of these beautiful little potato cakes. Put a little dollop of sauce on top, or serve it with the sauce over to the side. I'll let that be up to you. And this little sauce works absolutely amazing with these creamy potatoes with that beautiful little oniony flavour. Alright, how easy was that to do? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. More importantly, you want to learn how to make a real simple dish from a different culture, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my deep fried potato cakes with spring onion and my little chili sauce, and I will catch you next time. Bye!